When preparing to fly your drone, one of the most crucial pre-flight checks is confirming the antenna signal strength between the base station antenna and the drone antenna. For a safe and efficient flight, the antenna signal strength must be between 95% and 100%. If the signal strength drops below 95%, it poses a significant risk of communication failure, which can lead to mission failure or potential drone loss. To check the antenna signal strength, first open the Surveyaan app and enter your workspace where the flight mission is planned. Locate the antenna signal strength indicator. On the top row of the app interface, look for the signal strength symbol. It is positioned third from the right in the top row of the app. If the displayed signal strength is between 95% to 100%, your drone is ready for takeoff. If the signal strength is below 95%, you must abort the flight
Communication
mission
lost.
until the issue is resolved. Ensuring a strong signal prevents flight disruptions, enhances safety, and guarantees mission success. Always double check before takeoff. Thanks for watching.